How to fix Twitter playback error. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. So if you are facing such issue in your Twitter or in your X application, follow this quick and easy step. Start off by launching your phone settings. In your phone settings, you need to head over and search for developer option. You can just tap on the search icon at the top and search for developer option. Make sure that it is toggled on. Now once you are in here, you need to scroll down to the very bottom until you see the option of Wi-Fi scan throttling. This will reduce your battery drain as well as improve the network performance. The playback error is due to there is lack of adequate network in your device. So make sure to toggle this on so that it improves your network performance. Similarly, make sure to toggle on mobile data always active, which will help for a better and faster network switching. Once you do so, now you can head back from here. Then scroll down and check out apps. Click on all apps. In the all apps, you need to head over and search for Twitter or X application. Make sure to force stop your application firstly so that you can force a restart in your app. Then head to storage and cache and click on clear cache. This will help you to remove any of the bug or the glitch issue that might be causing such problem. That's it for the video as well. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorial.